down. Here you go, right there. Mommy kind of, there you go. Mommy kind of put a lot on there. Wow, what is that? Say capris and a shirt.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Yes.
There you go. Here. There you go. Put that up. That's from Gigi and great grandfather.
Aww. Mommy, here, please.
What is it, Kayla? Trying to help pull it out. There you go.
It's a shirt.
Show Daddy.
The shirt.
Wow. Say thank you.
Say thank you, Kayla. Say thank you, Kayla.
Whoa, look at the dress.
Oh, she got dressed too. Yeah. Look how I got dressed.
Kayla,
They're the same.
come here, look, you got more stuff. Can I
Well,
see
let's get with
that?
this, Mom.
Shit, it's getting to be work, huh?
Can I see? No, you gotta open it up. You can't take the bag. You want this back? Okay.
She got open the present.
Kayla, look.
Come on, I'm going to try this on.
Look.
We got receipts for this?
This is from one of great grandma's and great grandfather's friends.
I don't know if this is going to fit. We may need a receipt.
There. What is that? That's paper.
Yeah, that's paper.
What's that? No, Kayla. What's this? What's in here?
Mommy,
Okay.
Yeah, okay, I'll put the
I
paper
want
in
to be a good girl now.
Kayla.
Mommy, I want to be a good girl now.
Okay. Kayla. Sit over here though. Stay out of the way. Thank you.
What is this?
No. Stop.
I just want to see.
I don't even know what it is.
Not me.
Kayla,
Kayla.
come here. What is this? Look. Oh. What is that? You gonna take it out? Get it. So you gotta eat the paper. What you trying to lick? Take that. Hey, take this.
So I got this.
Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Whoa.
It's a dress.
Wow, look, Kayla.
It's a dress, Mommy.
Kayla.
Hung up on that darn thing.
Kayla. Here, look. Kayla. Hey. Hey, booger.
You gonna show it to me?
She goes, "Will someone help me try this thing on? I am wanting
Thank
to
you.
try it on."
That's so pretty, Kayla.
So can I
That's-
please
that's
put?
what
I
good
want
for
the
you.
shorts. I
You
want
said,
to
"All
put
right,
the
you
shorts
got
on. Can you help me put the shorts on? Somebody.
Look, here's another. Look, what's this? No.
Jennifer,
Ooh, it's
take the shorts off and put them on her.
No.
Okay, here, let me see. Can I see? Come here. Come here.
I want to try it on. I like the shorts. They're very colorful. Look out, Sissy, I'm coming through.
Okay, sit down.
I'm her. She was all wearing the clever.
Ooh.
I'm gonna take this out.
Ooh.
I'm gonna take it out.
No, you're not.
She gonna take it out.
Wow, those are
You might
pretty.
wind up somewhere else now. Quit.
Hold on. Ooh, pretty.
A frog?
Ooh.
Okay, look. Don't get it.
Oh, mommy, this one.
Kayla, come here now. Hey,
Say, Granddaddy, can you help me put this shirt on? Mommy just ain't getting
Thank
it.
Thank you. That is so pretty.
No, I want to wear it. I can't get it off this hanger. Somebody, anybody.
hey, here. What's this? Come on.
I just
Hey,
don't.
look, I need my shirt
Pause
on
it.
now.
Pause it.